to my unique people. Hi to my unique base. Welcome back to my channel. This is Unique Skin. Thank you for tuning in today to watch my video. I'm so glad. Today I'll be talking about some additives, some like prevention and additives that you can add to your pro mixing. Okay, a whole lot of people they've requested for this video and I am bringing it to you live and direct. Okay, so today I'll basically be talking about one particular product, but they have like additives and prevention, like like an anti-prevention actives that you can add to your pro mixing, and it's really effective because I've actually used them and I've used them for some clients and it's really effective, and I have also recommended these actives for clients too, and they have given me actually a good feedback. So please guys, please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also leave your comment down below and click the like button. Share my video guys, please share my video. Leave your comment if you have any question. I'm sure I'm gonna give you a very genuinely and right answer. Thank you guys. Okay, the product I want to talk about is called Herbal Skin Doctor. Some people know about it, but a whole lot of people are still doubting if this actually work. I am here to let you know this actually work because it's been tested several times on several people, and we've actually gotten good results. The only downside to this it's that it's a bit expensive, but it's a good supplement. It's a good active to add to your pro mixing, or when you're doing your cream personal pro mixing at home, you are sure to get good result. So the first one I'll be talking about is the Herbal Skin Doctor Anti-Stretch Mark. Herbal Skin Doctor Anti-Stretch Mark. This Herbal Skin Doctor Anti-Stretch Mark comes like in an injection form. Let me show you how it is. It comes in an injection form. All you need to do is you just need to open up the injection and you just pour it directly into your pro mixing. You don't need to do extra work with it. Okay, so this is how each come. Okay, you see, as you can see, okay, so it comes like this, like an injection. All you need to do is just open the top off and you now pour into your lotion or into your cream, and it comes like this. This is a pack of it. It has like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 injections in it. This is a very good anti-stretch mark for people that are prone to stretch mark. If you want to prevent stretch mark from occurring on your skin, you add this. Usually if you are using like if you're gonna use, like, let's assume you are gonna pro mix a 200 ml lotion and you are adding, I'm just doing an example, and you are adding like 260 ml serum, you are adding like 50 or 70 ml oil, you're gonna add your collagen. You're gonna add, maybe you want to use water or rose water to mix your powders, and maybe the percentage of your powders is about like 15%, 10 to 15%. All you need to do is, after the whole stuff that you've added, you just need 2 of this injection, okay, 2 of this into that pro-mixing that you are making. But of course, if you are making a larger batch, of course, you know you have to double your the injection you will be using. So this is a very good anti-stretch mark. It's a very good anti-stretch mark active that you can add to your pro-mixing. You can also use it by itself, like after showering. All you need to do is just damp your skin. Don't rub your skin, just damp your skin, and you can just take one of this, break it up, and apply generously on your skin. So you can actually apply this directly on your skin, or you can massage it into your skin, or you could apply on the affected area. So you can do any of this. Herbal Skin Doctor Anti-Stretch Mark apples. It's a very good anti-stretch mark that you can use, you know, to prevent stretch marks and also to ward off stretch marks. It's very good to use in your pro-mixing. So the next one I'll be talking about is the Herbal Doctor Collagen Ampoules. Herbal Doctor Collagen Ampoules. So this is actually almost the same thing. It comes an injection, like an injection formula, but the liquid is white. The liquid is white, okay? The liquid in this is white, and the same thing goes to the way once you are doing your pro-mixing, all you need to do is, depending on the measurement of your lotion or your cream and other actives, just add a couple of this to your pro-mixing. That helps you at your collagen, especially for people that do not want to use the powdered collagen. They find it very difficult to mix. The powdered collagen is actually great if you know how to mix it, but in case you're having stress mixing it, or you don't really have that time mixing it, okay, all you need to do is just get the Herbal Skin Doctor Collagen Ampoules and just add it directly into your lotion or into your cream. These collagen ampoules can also be applied on the face. Okay, you can apply this on the face. You can add it to your face cream. You can add it to your body lotion, body cream. Okay, you can add it to basically anything on your body. You can apply directly on your skin. This is very good, and it's for all skin types. Okay, it does not it's basically for all skin types, and it's very good because it's gonna do the job. This is also tested and trusted because it actually do the job. Now, don't go and add just one single ampoule in 500 ml lotion. Don't do that. I've already given you an example of the measurement of the lotion and other actives that you can add. Okay, so don't under add it, because if you under add it, you probably would not see good results. Okay, now the other Herbal Skin Doctor that I'll be talking about is the Herbal Skin Doctor Acne Ampoules. Herbal Skin Doctor Acne Ampoules. This the liquid in this, it's a bit slightly yellow. As you can see, it's like slightly yellow, not like the deep kind of yellow, okay, but it's slightly yellow. And this can be used directly on your face too. You can use this directly on your face. Make sure when you apply this on your face, leave 1 or 2 minutes and let it absorb. Let it absorb, let it penetrate into your skin before you moisturize your skin. Don't moisturize your skin immediately you apply this. And you can also add it to your cream, okay, your face cream. You can add it to your face cream. You can also add this to your serum. You can add this to your serum, face serum, very good. For people that usually have body acne, you can incorporate this into your body serum, body oil, body lotion, okay. This is very good for acne. And all you need to do is when you are applying this directly, make sure you let it dry off before you moisturize your skin. The fourth one is called, I do not have it here. Is actually out of stock, but I would also like to talk about that. It's called the Herbal Doctor Whitening Ampoules. The Herbal Doctor Whitening Ampoules is basically for skin whitening. For skin whitening, if you want to add additional active to your lotion, your cream, you can add the whitening ampoules, okay. It comes the same way like an injection form like this. All you need to do is just open it up and add it directly to your lotion or your cream. It's very effective, okay, depending on the measurement of your lotion to the ampoules which you are gonna use. I've already given you an example of what your measurement to actives that you can use, okay, to measure the amount of ampoules that you will use. So those are basically the 3 ampoules that are made by Herbal Skin Doctor. I mean 4 that are made by Herbal Skin Doctor. You have the anti-stretch mark ampoule, you have the Herbal Skin Doctor acne ampoule, and you also have the collagen ampoule. You also have the whitening ampoules. All these actives are very good for pro-mixing. They are very good. They are actually essential, okay, for pro-mixing. For those that are doing personal pro-mixing, please endeavor to get your hand on this and add it to your pro-mixing. They are very, very good. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sure you are able to choose which one of the Herbal Skin Doctor you want to use next time you're doing your pro-mixing. Thank you for watching my video. Please guys, please do subscribe to my channel. If you've not hit the subscription button, please do that right now. Hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Please guys, leave your comments down on my comment section and share my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be signing out at Unique Skin. You know how we do it. See you some other time. Bye bye. Bye guys.